Alright, well, it's a new day, which means we're gonna go back out on the river. We're gonna catch some more fish. Hopefully this time around, we catch some new personal best. You know, something that's a little bit bigger than the other ones, maybe a lot bigger. You already know we're gonna catch the small ones. Every single time we go out, we get the smallest fish. I don't know if it's a jinx, but hopefully we can overcome that and get something bigger today. Alright, well, we're back at it. Just got the kayak unloaded. It's fully loaded. Got all my gear. We're gonna be out for 2 or 3 hours of fishing. So next time I turn this on, hopefully it's me reeling in the fish. So let's get it. All right, well, we're out on the water. Super nice today. I think we're in good hands. We have plenty of time to catch some good fish. So I'm just gonna take my time, scope out some spots, and do some fishing. First one, nice little perch. We're gonna keep going, get something bigger. We got another one. Oh man, this one seems pretty good, maybe. Looks like a bass. Yep. There we go. Small little guy. Good looking though. Sweet. So that's 2. Got a perch, now a bass. Let's get it again. You guys might have noticed I'm using a new fishing pole. Just picked it up. It's a cheap, ugly stick, but I wanted something smaller for the kayak, something that wasn't so long, so I can land the fish easier. Missed him. Got another one. Small little guy. Here we go. That's number 3, if I want to count this one. Another small one. It's a fish though. Cool. Such a nice day. I cannot complain. So far, caught 3 fish. I wanted to let you guys know, if you're interested in winning a fishing pole, an ugly stick kind of like this, make sure you subscribe and stay tuned. I plan on starting to give away fishing poles once I hit 500 subscribers, which I'm almost halfway there. So help me get there so people can start winning some fishing poles. I plan on doing about 1 or 2 a month. Something kind of cool, you know, get people out there and get fishing. So help me out, let's get it done. All right, decided to park the kayak for a bit, get up on the shore. I don't know if you can see, but there's a cliff ledge right here. So I'm gonna be fishing right off that ledge. There's definitely should be some fish in there. So let's get it. There we go. That's a nice one. Got it right off the shore. Sweet. Hopefully you guys can see that. I'm behind, I'm in front of the camera, so I don't know what I'm filming, but cool. That's the best one today. All right, well, I don't know what just happened. The wind's coming in super strong now. The water's getting really bad. So I'm gonna have to get closer to the docks because I'm not about to get stuck out here. I mean, this literally came out of nowhere within the last minute or so. Can't complain about that one. That was a good fishing trip. Stayed out there for about 2 hours. Caught some perch, caught some bass. Caught one nice, decent sized bass. And just a reminder, you know, I'm gonna start giving away fishing poles once I get at 500 subscribers. I'm thinking probably every 500, give away 1 or 2 fishing poles to you guys. So make sure you are subscribed and make sure you stay tuned for updates on that. I'm almost halfway there. I'm right around 210 subscribers right now. So once we hit 500, fishing poles are going out to you guys.